Supply chain management. Great job! Wow! Success!
As we have witnessed in the hospitality industry nowadays, multiple food businesses continually grows, knowing that people always have the need to eat. Out of all the food businesses out there, the researchers chose the food stalls as it is a somewhat go-to place for most of us, wherein we could just order the food and then eat it at home or on the road. And it is one of the small businesses here in the Philippines that will be further observed. Numerous food stalls are continually growing here in the Philippines. Various food stall franchises are very evident in malls, streets, etc. One example is the takoyaki food stalls, which are also famous nowadays. This Japanese octopus balls, also known as takoyaki, is a quintessential Japanese street food that is found especially at summer festivals in Japan. This street is not only famous in Japan but has become a worldwide trend for its fried savory flavor. One of the emerging food stalls that offer takoyaki as their main dish or product is the Dayo-Tayo Takoyaki food stall owned by Mrs. Joy Ilagan Panganiban and was established on June 5, 2021. The stall already has multiple branches across Batangas Province, which are located in Cuenca, Mabini, Bawan, Poblacion, and Lemery. As observed in the supply chain management of the chosen business, there have been two low points that are detected in this company. One low point is when the franchisees or retailers struggle in purchasing the needed materials from the distributors, as the distributors may have the minimum order quantity or MOQ, in which if they lack supplies, they will result in the second low point that has been observed, which is the purchasing of the needed materials or rely on other suppliers such as supermarkets or convenience stores, which may add to their costs. The suggested result for these low points is to offer more reliable suppliers for this chosen company for them to lessen their costs.
For distribution network design and analysis, by examining the diagram of the supply chain of the chosen business, the retail storage with customer pickup is proved to be the best distribution network design for the chosen business, as customers can avail the product directly on the retailers or the stall franchises. And the customers also has the option to order online, as their chosen business has provided social media accounts or pages which can reach their target customers easily and also provide pick-up and dining services for their customers. Purchasing online can also minimize the waiting time of the consumer. We also chose this distribution system because the inventory will be stored at every retail store, which is the main purpose of this diagram. The good thing about this design is that it can significantly lessen the delivery cost and at the same time providing faster response than any other design.
As a solution for the observed low points, the researchers have provided options of suppliers to the chosen business and gathered 5 potential suppliers that may help them solve the observed low points. Here are the names of the supplier we believe that are reliable to the chosen business: Taki-Taki Takoyaki Supplies, Takoyaki Zeppin, Red Octopus Takoyaki Supplier, Takoyaki Direct Supplier Philippines, and Mida Food Distributors. All these suppliers will help to produce high-quality raw materials that are needed for the takoyaki business. These are the top-rated stores that provide quality service in terms of supplying the needed ingredients to create takoyaki, except for the Mida Food Distributors, which focuses on producing fresh and yet affordable seafood such as octopus that is being used in takoyaki. Relating to some of Carter's 10 Cs, the given suppliers are competent as they are rated and trusted by their consumers as seen on their social media page. They also have the capacity to supply the needed materials for the chosen business. These suppliers are also committed to their line of work as they are very hands-on in terms of supplying the product to their consumers, which makes them consistent in the service that they provide. They are also reliable in terms of communication as they provide social media platforms or accounts that better accommodate customer concerns and queries about their products. Since people nowadays use social medias, for those people who doesn't have social medias, these suppliers also provide contact details such as cell phone numbers and email address to better approach every consumer's concern. With all of this information and facts, it can now be proven that these suggested suppliers are proven to be reliable to the chosen business and are the perfect solution for the low points that are detected in this chosen business.
Tayo Takoyaki Food Stall has been known to have a lot of branches across Batangas City, which have distributed the resources from every branch that they have also maintained the same quality that they have provided to every product that they offer. To maintain the high quality of products to serve their customers, the researchers suggested that they should put in application and practices that are appropriate for inventory management measures and procedures to control operating costs while ensuring quality food and service. The first process that they should usually use is the order guide, in which the stall owner organizes an item-specific order guide to track order history and sales, and maintain appropriate inventory as per daily sales. In this way, there will be less spoilage of products and lessen the cost. The second process is that they should use the weekly inventory, in which every franchisee or retailer is tasked to perform a weekly inventory to track and prepare weekly profit and loss reports. In this way, they can easily lessen their costs and resolve the problems such as loss reports that they are experiencing weekly. The third process that they should be currently using is the daily inventory tracking. Their daily inventory will be taken on some specific items such as perishable goods, and it will be compared to sales data to ensure designated products have been properly accounted for. Also, at the end of the day or every shift, they check their products and inventory to assess which items are out of stock or to be disposed of to ensure that the specific item will not affect the quality of food to be served.
Dahil tayo ay suppliers, the chosen mode of transportation between the franchisee or the food stall owners and the suppliers is through truck delivery. Based on the provided or suggested suppliers for the chosen food business, most of them are land-based or local near the food business establishment, which is easily accessible by the truck deliveries. And also, the food establishment is along the highway or near the road, which is accessible by the truck deliveries. Truck deliveries are also efficient, especially when it comes to bulk deliveries, as they are also time efficient compared to other land-based transportation, as they travel on the road or the highway and can easily locate the food establishment and deliver the food supply in the right place and the right time. Dahil tayo as customers, above all given modes of transportation, the package carriers will be the best choice when it comes to delivering food orders to customers, because it is time efficient and the food carriers are motorcycles, which are faster than transportation, which can carry a small number of packages, and they also can avoid the traffic as they can go through small spaces, which make it efficient. Based on the chosen business establishment, which is the Takoyaki Food Stall, most of the food stall owners or operators choose package carriers. Couriers like Panda, Grab Food, etc. to deliver their food on their respective customers as they see. It is efficient and easily accessible for all nowadays. Using the apps of the given food deliveries, of course, couriers, customers can easily choose their preferred food or even customize their orders, and they can also track the progress of their delivery and even choose a specific time when the food will be delivered.
Customer relationship management is one vital aspect of this chosen type of business. Tayo Takoyaki adapted to this concept to create and manage the relationship with their customers and more efficiently through detailed and accurate analysis of customer data using various information technologies. Here are the provided strategies that Tayo is currently providing to its customers. First is the social media technology. Their use of technology plays a huge part of their day-to-day operations as well as how they interact with customers. This type of CRM is being implemented into operations in a way that should improve relationship with customer, which can lead to greater customer loyalty, retention, and profitability. Second, providing loyalty cards. Loyalty cards are a great way to boost sales and customer satisfaction. These loyalty cards offers a discount from customers who ordered 8 or more takoyaki. Customers will attain a 50% discount on their 10th purchase of the product, as well as customer satisfaction. Observing these CRM strategies that are chosen on business offers, the researchers formulated suggestions to better improve their CRM strategies to gain customers' retention and boost customer satisfaction. Below are some of the few suggestions that are formulated by the researchers. Provisions of promos and raffles on social media. A study by researchers at the University of Bristol has suggested that business should use social media platforms to better promote their products and services. The researchers suggested that they should provide interactive promotion of their social media pages, such as raffles or games that their customers will get customer attention. Providing programs to students. Most of the customers of this chosen business are students. Some students also can multitask, especially those students who have work are often called working students, to support their education and their family as well. Providing programs to students like how to set up their takoyaki food stall can simply help them to start their own business. Subscription programs. These programs will build customer loyalty by turning customers into repeat purchasers. A subscription program often gives customer a discount compared to one-off purchases or offer exclusive products, content, or services that aren't able to non-subscribers. This program will surely capture or motivate customers and future customers to dine in and purchase their product just to avail of this exclusive program. Refer a friend customer loyalty program. Researchers have come up with a suggestion to provide a refer a friend customer loyalty program to customers. The chosen business shall provide rewards to customers who refer their products to friends, families, or colleagues. This will surely captivate and attract more customers and earn their loyalty.
In conclusion, potential improvements may be visible once the given suggestions by the researchers are implemented or considered by the chosen business establishment, which may help them lower their costs, improve their service quality, increase customer loyalty, customer retention, and customer satisfaction.